Hello. Today on Nature Nook, we're going to be looking at one of the most mysterious sprawls of the urban neighborhood, the high school. It's rare to see such a large compound so deserted, but we're up well before an average high school student normally gets up around these days. But from 8:19 to 3:01, this place is going to be crawling with wild high school students. And today is a very special day. Today, the herd welcomes a new migratory wave as the old one leaves. Pseudocus scolaretta, an amazing creature ranging anywhere from 5 feet to 6'7", some of them even reaching 300 pounds. Their colors range anywhere from brown, blonde, and black to sometimes even being blood red. Today, their trial begins. Now. And as quickly as it began, it's over. These creatures will remain in a semi-conscious state as they're barraged with sensory information for the next 40 to 50 minutes. Absolutely amazing.
Nature Nook is proudly funded in part by your local counseling office and the viewer. Thank you.
One interesting aspect of these creatures is what researchers like to call lunch. From 1056 to 120, nearly 500 of these creatures come to one central feeding area to eat what we call lunch. Interestingly enough, there is a distinct lack of ability to hunt. They much prefer to enter a place like this and select their meal from a set of predetermined foods. They then pay their offering to the food god in some sort of currency or keypad code. After gathering nourishment, the suburbanite returns to the safety of his pack.
The easiest way to survive the trials of the urban sprawl is to find a pack. These packs often migrate from school to school and can usually assimilate quite easily. This is undeniable evidence that the Pseudocus scolaretta can effortlessly adapt to any situation.
Seldom is there any interaction between foreign packs. Each pack offers the Pseudocus scolaretta the safety and security it needs to feel comfortable. Let's have a look and see if we can see some foreign pack interaction.
Remarkable. They can treat each other almost as if they're equals. Such civility.
First and second year Pseudocus scolaretta must complete 3.5 hours of physical activity a week. This is done in the communal exercise area, also known as the gym.
When Pseudocus scolaretta play, they often supplement their exercise with a variety of objects, which can include but are not limited to balls, sticks, rackets, hoops, and other things designed to stimulate and de-stress. Many Pseudocus scolaretta often choose not to participate, and instead sit and wallow in misery. These Pseudocus scolaretta are not only putting themselves in danger because of their lack of muscle mass, but they also might harm their assessment given to them by an elder supervisor.